So here you can see Azure ATP security assessments reports inside Cloud App Security. And it's not a mistake. All Azure ATP data is available today in Cloud App Security. I will give you more details about it later. This is the main section of the security assessments. You can see here the different reports, and for each report you can see the improvement action you should take, the number of related entities, what is this report about, what is the urgency of the report? It can be high or low. How important is for you to fix this misconfiguration today? And what is the resolution status? As you can see, we are giving you here a full view of what is not working well, which misconfiguration you should improve, and what is currently healthy in the organization. But if something right now is completed, it doesn't mean that tomorrow it will be completed as well, because these reports are dynamic. So we warmly recommend you, the security admins, to come into the Azure ATP Security Assessments page from time to time and insert it to your security assessments mitigation workflow of the entire organization. So let's look at some examples. Let's see what we have in the unsecure Kerberos delegation. Unsecure Kerberos delegation is a configuration inside Active Directory. Here you will get a list of all the entities which have unsecure Kerberos delegation. And you can see the delegation type. It is unconstrained. If we will look at the second device, for example, that has unconstrained Kerberos delegation permissions, it means that once someone is compromising the RDP server, they can impersonate to all the account that logged into the RDP server, and they can access resources on behalf of these accounts. If, for example, your domain admin will be logged into the RDP server, the attacker can get access to your sensitive data right away. If you would like to understand more about the reports, you can click on this link and you will be directed to our documentation. Here you will find more information about what is Kerberos delegation, what is the configuration we are looking at, what risk it poses to your organization, and how you should investigate this security assessment and which remediation actions you should take. Let's look at another example, dormant entities in sensitive groups. A dormant entity is an account that is inactive for more than 180 days in your organization, or it is disabled or expired in Active Directory. Sensitive groups are groups that Azure ATP automatically tag as sensitive because they have high privileges in your organization. In addition, you can tag sensitive groups manually. So this report will list you all the different entities that are inactive, but still members of group that are sensitive. So each account in this list can still get to your sensitive data in your organization. This is gold for attackers. Attackers are looking for such account. They can use this account out of your radar. It is a very easy and quick way into your organization and into your sensitive data. So now let's assume that you understand the risk and you would like to remove these accounts from being members of these sensitive groups because they don't need these sensitive permissions anymore. So you would like to take this list and open a ticket for the relevant team that is in charge of group memberships and ask them to remove them. You can easily do it because we have here an export option. All this report will be exported to a CSV file, so you can attach it to the relevant team in a ServiceNow ticket, for example, and just use this report as part of your workflow in the organization.